Wow, welcome back again, Tamiya fans. So we've just had the official list drop for May releases from Tamiya. So if you've watched my previous release video, I'm only focusing on the RC stuff because that's the only stuff I'm really that interested in, to be honest. So we've got a couple of pretty cool things. So I'm just going to go through the list from top to bottom for the RC stuff and just read out random numbers and random stuff. But these are the two coolest re-releases that are coming. So I'll start with the first release, which is the 22082 TA08R carbon upper deck with a 2mm thickness. That's coming in June. Next we have 22083, which is a TA08 aluminium front upper arm mount, also going to be released in June. Next we've got a 22084 aluminium rear arm mount. So guess what? That's coming in June. And lucky last for the TA08 stuff is the reinforced rear body mount that's going to come in June as well. Now, the exciting stuff is the re-release of the Top Force, which is this one here, which is the 2017 Top Force. I've had that one on the shelf for a little while, and I think I got that maybe back in 2017 when they first did the initial run. So they're coming back again. Now, these are an amazing kit, and I highly advise getting one. I've had this on the shelf for ages and ages. I've got a built one in the office. Yeah, coming again. And there might be a few more years before they actually do re-release another one. The next one is the Manta Ray. Very, very popular one. This was a super awesome kit. Fun to build. This one still new in box. This one's an empty box. I'm going to have to get another new in box of this one. But Manta Ray coming. So this is 2018 was the initial re-release of the Manta Ray, so they're coming back again, which is going to be awesome. I don't need another one, but I do want to build this one, so I might buy another one, build this one, and then I've got one on the shelf in my new in-box pile. We're also getting the release of the Opel Kadett GTE, the spare body set for that. Next is the Modell Ortec Z spare body set, that's coming as well. The 14th scale Volvo FH16 Globetrotter XL750 4x2 full operation. Now that's a big mouthful, but that's going to be released in the next run, which is May, June. We should start to see that come through. With the XB stuff, we're getting the TT02 Ortec Z chassis, so XB, so you just grab it out, charge it up, plug it in, and away you go. That's going to be a fun build. And one of my favorite chassis recently is the CC02, so they're doing a Baja Bronco model of that, which is going to be awesome. So I've got a FJ Land Cruiser, which actually is at my dealership, which have it on the shelf so I can look at it every day. But yeah, the Bronco would be an awesome one to have. So quick video, just want to tell you guys what's coming to the RC stuff. Probably spoke a bit too quick, as I said I was going to try and not do next time, but you can click in the link below and it's going to have all the stuff that's coming out through the Tamiya website. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Last video was a restoration video of a DF02. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's done not too bad. So I'm pretty happy with the way it's going. But I hope you guys like this video and we're going to see you in our next video. So bye. So if you like this video, there's plenty more on our channel that you're going to love. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we've made. I'm sure you'll like them.